Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to download your Facebook data. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and sign in your Facebook account. Once you're signed in, navigate in the top navigation and click on the arrow located at the rightmost side. And then click the settings. In the settings page, click on the Your Facebook information located in the left side. After that, select by clicking the Download Your Information section from the options. Now, by default, Facebook will let you download all your data. But, you can specify the date range of data you want to download. For the format, select HTML. For media quality, I would recommend selecting High to download the highest quality of photos and videos. Below, your data is organized by section and selected by default. If you want to download just specific data, just select all and select the data you wanted to download. Then click on Create File button and wait for the notification from Facebook once the data is ready to download. Just visit your notification center and click the notification. You will be shown a list of Facebook data available for downloading. The first one is the recent data you requested, and below are the previous ones. Just click the download button, save the zip file and open the file location. Since this is a zip file, we need to extract it first. As you can see, our data is grouped by folder. To easily navigate this file, open the index.html file in the browser. You can now browse your downloaded data. That's it guys. Thank you and subscribe to my channel.